Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows 10 not detecting headphones after it is plugged in on your PC and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having this trouble, you just have to navigate to your search bar and you have to search for device manager. Now on the device manager you just have to select sound, video and game controllers. You just have to expand this, and from here you just have to do a very normal simple process. You just have to update your driver. Click on the update driver and go for search automatically for drivers, and as you can see that I'm having the latest version itself, so there is no update for me, so I just have to make sure that I just have to close this up. And also after it's not fixed, then you just have to uninstall the drivers. Go for uninstall, then you just have to select this one. Okay, if you forget to select this one, what happens is it will be completely like delete the driver software from the devices itself. So you just have to select this and go for uninstall. When you click on uninstall, what happens is it will ask you for a restart. Then you just have to do the restart, and most probably you just have to check in again. The issue has to be fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.